Everybody, welcome back to the video. So this is a mini clamp I bought as well. So I bought this in Temu. So it's a small mini clamp. So it was around, I think I paid around €2-3 for it on Temu. So Temu is very good for just buying cheap products. Just test now, just see what they're like. So I'm just going to unbox it here, open it here. So yeah, just turn it around here. So yeah, it's a small enough clamp. It's not too big. It's like you pay what you get, really, isn't it? So there's the little clamps there. You put a bit of metal there. It's plastic and metal, so plastic bits, they could break, but hopefully not. So it could be delicate, but you open it up just there, and you can fit in the piece of wood. Say if you're doing a woodwork project again, you could stick it in, or just to hold anything still, so you can just put it down and just keep pressing the trigger, and just keep pulling in. So it'll just keep getting closer and closer and closer. So it's pretty simple. It's not hard. It's not really too hard to push either. So you just clamp it down fairly easily there. You just stick your piece of wood in there. See, it just clamps to the table fairly easily there. So it's very handy. It's, like I said, very cheap. So just clamp it in the full way there. It's a handy little tool to have for, you know, whether it's school, woodwork project, any projects you're doing at home, at your house. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll just put this back in here, and just hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and like if you enjoy. Thanks. Peace.